Yo, what's up? This is Joyner. I'm unable to take your call right now. Leave me a brief message and I'll get back to you. Peace.
You know, you really piss me off sometimes. I've spent all night waiting for you to come home, and I've woken up without you. I don't know where you are, why you're not answering your phone, but I'm starting to get worried. I really hope you're not pissing away the last of our money at the stupid casino again. Because you know my next check won't be here till the 3rd, and we literally have nothing right now. If you did go to the casino and you have won money, then I guess...
Get the fuck off of my dick, ho! Fuck you mean? I don't think you notice what you done to me. Yeah, I think you should know that you were under me. If anybody got a problem, tell them they can come to me. What the fuck you mean? This is not allowed. Better calm it down, cause all you new niggas just watered down. I can see through you like a motherfucker. Aren't you saying, ooh? Okay, be ready to hold up then. I'm ready to roll up on that minute the motor, make your motor spin. I'm blow the boat up, then be going up with it, what you noticing. A couple of hoes that I've been boning since the nigga was only 10. I'm ready to call up in that pussy harder than my youngin'. You falling and you love it. Can't stand the heat, but you all up in the oven. I remember when I used to ball on a budget. Now wait a minute, you finally got some paper, couldn't wait to get it. And it don't really matter cause you still lame. No matter how much cake you got, it wouldn't make a difference. I'm tired of all you rappers want free verses, but fuck up out of here, this how I make a living. And dive up in the pussy like Jamaican niggas. I spend all of my dollars on some Laker tickets. I think if I die young, they gon' miss me too. I think I'ma buy guns, maybe empty too. I think I'ma sell drugs to the kids in school. I think I'ma get buzzed if it gets me through. I think I'ma need a hide if they know where I live. I think I'ma drink and drive till I told her to whip. I think I'ma get high, give her all of the dick. Even if she ain't mine, she know what it is. Wait, hold up though, I'm ready to roll up on that minute the motor, make your motor blow the boat up, then be gone up with it, what you notice though. A couple of hoes that I've been boning since a nigga was on it though. My nigga, what's your worst fear? I've been running from the start. Scared to be a man, tryna hustle in the dark. Running down the stairs, gotta hustle every march. Eating supper, getting filled, watch you rumble in the Bronx. I slip inside it to the puddle of your heart. Nigga, I don't trust you, plus you never played a part. I've been living in the ghetto where the devils pray to God, never. I said, I've been living in the ghetto where the devils pray to God. Hold up. I've been living in the... Yeah, look. Get the fuck off of my dick.